Hi friends, in the previous section you have seen how we can install new package, and also we have seen how you can use a custom known name of any package, and Ubuntu will suggest you that here you can install it via this command. Okay, and also if you know any package name, so you can directly install it via sudo apt-get install followed by the package name. Okay, now you might have remember in the earlier section when we learned about compiling the code and applying the updates. So what we did, we were trying to manually change the behavior of ls command. So in this lecture, what we will do, let's change the behavior of excise command. Basically, we will not change that, but we'll see how we can do that. And also, whenever for downloading the source code, we went through the internet and then downloaded the zip file from there. Okay, but here let's do from the CLI. So I will head over on my terminal. I will go in there. Now, all the list for your source code are stored in etc apt sources list. Okay, so if I will see that sudo vi etc apt sources list. Okay, so if I will hit enter, so it will ask for my password. Let's give the password. So in here, there will be various option in here. Okay, and some of them are commented here. So if you are trying to play with various packages, so you need to uncomment this dev options src. Okay, so you need to uncomment these things. Okay, so that it will search for all the packages. If in case those whatever package you are playing with, if this package in this repository, so it will not find. So that's why you need to uncomment them. Okay, so let's me press I, and then I will uncomment all with the name of deb. Okay, now I have uncommented all of my dev option source. So what it will do, if I will run my sudo apt-get update command, so it will search for all the sources code for all the list described here. Okay, so I will press escape and then I will wq and exit it. Once it done, what I will do, I will run again sudo apt get update. Okay, so what it will do, I have updated my sources list for source code. So if I will do that, it will update all the sources list from inside there, because we have just uncommented our dev.source one. Okay, so I will hit enter. Okay, sorry, apt option get, or I can do that only apt only. So it will update all the things here. If needed, I will pause the video. Now my sudo apt get update was ran successfully. Now I need to run sudo apt get install dpkg, sorry, dpkg option dev. So basically it is a package manager for Debian based system, and it's for Debian environment. Means if you want to modify or change something, so we are going to check for source code. That's why I am installing it. So I will hit enter. It is asking for my confirmation. I will give yes. Now it will take some time. If needed, I will pause the video. Now let me navigate to my desktop. Okay, and let me get source code for my X all apps. Okay, so how you I will get that? So sudo apt get, I will type source, and then I will type the package name X all option apps. So I can get any source code with the help of this command, any packages source code. Okay, so once I will hit enter, so it was unable to find the source package for Xol apps. So no worries, let me try the source code for ADCLI. Okay, let's try with that one. So once I will hit enter, so it's going with this, and it has installed the package. So it has downloaded my archive file here. Okay, with all the source code. So let me navigate to my this folder. So I will go to cd ad cli, this one, and I will list the thing. So here we have our configure file, make file, and every other file. Okay, so here we have. Now if you want to unarchive this, you can unarchive this also, so it will go, it's a original folder org. Okay, so here you can play with it. So basically now you can go to bash and configure the thing. Bash, by bash configure, then you can, make is already installed, you just need to type make, and then after you can install make dot install. Okay, so yeah, you can customize this. So I'm hoping you have got the package or source code for your required package, and you can play with it the same as we learned in our chapter while we were compiling the source code and installing with the help of ls command. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will try to clean up everything and we'll try to uninstall any specific package. Okay, because cleaning is also necessary. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will meet you. Till then, take care.